Welcome to Impact Kids Coach. I'm Julie. Let's get started. Have you ever thought that you're not good at something or you won't be able to do it, only to give it a try and find out that you actually are really good at it and you actually even like it? Or how about the opposite? Have you ever thought, oh, I can do that, and you try it and all of a sudden you realize, oops, maybe I need a little more work, or maybe it's not as easy as I thought? Well, that is what we're going to talk about today. Let's get started. Being able to see yourself clearly, the things you do well and the things that maybe you need help with or that you're working to improve, that's really important in making your best impact. I mean, no one really likes to be around anyone who thinks they're the best at everything, right? And no one wants to hear how amazing someone thinks they are all the time. And take it from me, no one is the best at everything. Maybe at the grade level you're in right now, there's somebody who hasn't struggled or had too many challenges yet, but they will. No one gets through this whole life without challenges. No one. Learning how to deal with challenges and to persevere, that is a strength. And when you struggle with something, you learn that skill. No one is the best at everything. Everyone has challenges, and challenges are a good thing. On the other hand, no one is the worst at everything and can't do anything right and needs everyone to do everything for them. That self-perception isn't making our best impact either, and it's just simply not true. Everyone has gifts and everyone has talents. Knowing your strengths, or what you're good at, what your talents are, and knowing what your areas of improvement are helps us to contribute to the community that we are in, our classroom, our families, our teams. When we know what we are good at and that what we have to give to others, we feel really good, and it helps us to make our best impact. Self-perception is a grown-up way of just saying the way you see yourself. Having a balanced or a healthy or an accurate self-perception means that you know both what your strengths are, what you're good at, and the areas you need to improve. So how do we get a healthy self-perception? An accurate self-perception is something that we have to work for every day. There are days that we will feel like we're on top of the world and days that we feel like we're really struggling. On the days that we feel like we're on top of the world, we need to stay balanced, just like this scale. And remember that although things are going well, we still need to stay humble. And on days that we are not feeling our best, we need to remember that we have some great qualities too, to keep this self-perception scale balanced. Remember, knowing your strengths and your areas of improvement is really important because that's what gives you an accurate self-perception. No one is the best at everything and no one is the worst at everything. We all have strengths and talents and we all have areas of improvement. Knowing what you excel at and what you need help with or to work on, that's really important because it helps you to make your best impact in the groups that you are in. And it allows others to have a space to make their best impact too. Be sure to check out the reflection and application guide in the caption below. See you next time.